Hey everyone, it's me, Anthony Jones, and today I got a little bit of an unboxing and review video for you guys. Anyways, I guess the story is we went down to Columbus, nearby, close town, near like an hour drive, to Micro Center, and this is the second time I've been to Micro Center. It's a great place if you never experienced it and you got one close by. I would highly recommend the experience. It's like a big huge Walmart just filled with computer stuff. It's just amazing. It's an amazing experience. But anyways, I went there and today I got the MSI Optix AG32C LED gaming monitor. I wanted to get a new monitor. I wanted to get a really nice one as well. I didn't want to get something that was cheap and junky quality wise. I didn't want to get something that was like small, you know. So I went with this one. Upgrade from my JVC 30. No, this isn't a 32. This is actually a 43-inch TV right there, paired with the 32-inch right there. And I wanted to go down a little bit in size since this one's kind of hitting the ceiling there. And to compromise, I went with a 31.5-inch, which is this, close to 32, very close. I mean, you can just round it. I guess I wanted to upgrade to a really nice monitor, and this one has no compromise. It's a curved monitor for one. I've never actually used a curved monitor before, so that's going to be a very interesting experience using a curved monitor. It's got, let's see, the main thing that I want this monitor for was something that would be over 60 hertz. And when I saw the amount of hertz that was on this thing, I was amazed. It's got 165 hertz. That's more than 144 hertz. And I was just blown away. I mean, I knew I wanted to get this specific monitor. It was the only one they had that was a 32-inch that was at that many, at that high of a hertz level, or refresh rate level, I should say. And so yeah, picked this baby up mainly because of that. 1 millisecond response time. It's got FreeSync integrated. I won't be able to use that because I'm using an NVIDIA graphics card, but maybe if I upgrade in the future, maybe I'll go to AMD for that reason. It's got anti-flicker, less blue light, I'm guessing in the LED section of that, to not have so much blue tone. And it's got a game mode, which I guess I'm gonna have to try out. I'm not sure all about that. And as well, paired with that, I went with a DP or DisplayPort cable, 6 foot long. It's got, I guess, 4K resolution. This is only 1920 by 1080, and some might say don't go with that because of seeing pixels from 2 feet away. But I've been using a 43-inch TV and I see pixels all the time. So I mean, I don't really care much about that. All I'm going to be playing is Csgo, and when it comes to Csgo, you want that high FPS and as well refresh rate on your monitor. This monitor as well, to give you a price range, this costed $350. That is actually pretty inexpensive for a monitor, especially one that has that many or that big of a refresh rate. This big of a size, curved as well. So when I saw that price tag, I was like, I gotta get it. So I guess hopefully we're gonna get this thing unboxed right here before your eyes, get it all set up, and have this baby running right here. Alright guys, well, I guess let's get right into it. Alright guys, I'm now accompanied by my father.
No, I am your father.
No. It's not true. That's impossible. No! No!
Jarrett Jones.
It's me.
We're gonna, I guess, get to unboxing and setting up. So I got a screwdriver
Let's do it.
and my trusty knife. It's nothing fancy. It's just a butter knife, but maybe if I can one day
Cut there too.
Yeah, okay. Push. Well, it's already got like a little cut. There we go.
Okay.
Just a nice little rip will do.
Excuse me.
Okay.
So,
Looks like there's styrofoam and as well bubble wrap, which is, I guess, good because of the bit long drive in the car.
hey, you know what's kind of cool is that it's a, I mean, not the exact, but it's a red
I know.
metallic.
Yeah, it's a red and black
So-
color scheme, which is
That's
another reason why I got this, because of the
is it
computer.
a single post monitor?
Yeah, it's a single post.
Interesting.
So this is the post, and then it's got something to go on the bottom of it, like legs.
Okay.
It's
Here is. Let me pull out a couple things first
okay.
for you. You can show what it came with. Oh, nuh-uh.
It comes with a. Hey, well that's a plus. I was trying to see if what this monitor actually came with, and it comes with a deep display cable, and HDMI, and the power. So
Awesome.
yeah.
Well, that means we have to make another trip down to Micro Center.
Our third trip,
Spend some more money down there.
and as well return our display.
Yeah, get something else. So that must be in conjunction with.
Yes, this is our stand.
Okay, I see. Totally cool. That's nice.
Yeah. So
Here, actually, let me do this. Let me put this back
Yeah.
in here. We'll
that'll
just
be
set
better.
these off
We'll
to the
just set
side.
these off to the side, I guess. Yeah.
So
That'll probably be best.
they'll see it, I'm sure.
Well,
Yeah.
yeah. I didn't. Yeah.
So another piece.
Another
to
piece.
the base. And then this,
Oh man.
I think I might lay down,
Yes.
and then let's put it.
Which way? This
On-
side up?
No, we'll
Or
put it on the box.
Okay.
So let's do it like this for a second.
Okay. So we're gonna do it like this.
And then let me.
Okay. And for some odd reason, we got an. Oh, strange. Oh,
That is
that's an AC adapter.
that's
So
like an actual interesting power supply.
yeah. So it
Usually
looks
they
like
just go right into the
Yeah.
back. It's the first time I've ever seen a monitor like
Yeah.
that.
we'll be able to cable manage that though. Good. All right. And then of course, instruction manual with some looks like a sticker and our screws.
Awesome.
So
Okay. Set this off to the side.
we're at the top. This is the top of it.
Yeah,
so-
that right. Okay. Like this.
Oh
Set it like that. I'm gonna try not to touch this.
yeah.
Actually,
Oh wait, it's upside down right now.
is it?
Yeah.
Okay, here, let me spin it. I don't
Yeah.
want to touch it.
I don't. Yeah, I don't want to touch it as well. Should we not put it? Should we not like try to?
I might get gloves. Only because, like,
Okay.
I don't want to get, like, fingerprints and stuff on it yet. Okay. Here, I'll grab to the back of it. And then tell me if they can.
They can see
Oh,
it clearly now.
Don't.
Yeah, don't.
Don't push. I got it.
Okay, okay.
That good? Okay.
That's good.
I'm gonna leave it like that for now.
That's big and that's cool. Actually looks really it's stupid nice looking.
Mm-hmm.
A very thin bezel.
Yeah.
Very thin, but it looks like the LCD starts a little bit into it, but that's a very thin bezel.
Do you wanna? Can they see?
A little bit, not too much though.
What's that?
They can't. They can see a little bit, but
Let me scoot this back.
not too much. Okay, cool. There
Is
we
it
go.
still centered?
Yep.
Good.
Now it's good.
All right. So let's set it up.
Yeah.
Want to?
Yep. Let's get right into that.
Here's piece one.
Yes.
And then do these things go to the front, or do they go? They
Those go to the front. Yeah.
So let's do it like this.
Okay.
So.
And then we got screws.
Okay.
It's 5 screws. I'm guessing they're all the same. And so, yeah, like that.
Right here.
Yeah.
All right. So I'll show it. We got the base.
Yep. We got
with
the
a
base
couple
with 3 screw holes.
notches there.
Which do they go at the
This
bottom?
fits right into those
We got
notches, like so.
Yeah. And there's screws. They give you 5 screws. So you better not strip them. Let's see here.
How many screws do you got?
5.
5, yeah. Because 2 will go into the
2
back of the
go in
monitor,
the back of the monitor. Yeah.
and then 3 in here.
So
So we're gonna set it up,
yes.
but we're not gonna turn it on yet.
We're not gonna
just to
turn
be
it
safe.
on yet. Yeah.
From what I remember in TVs and stuff, that's good. Let me see.
Yep. Good.
Okay, so we got that.
Yep. Here's where everything gets
I'll be right back.
okay. Technical difficulties.
I'm just gonna grab some
Right about now.
gloves.
Okay, we're back. He's got gloves now. They're leather.
Hopefully I don't smudge it. I'm real particular about that stuff.
Well, I mean, you have to be.
So you slide that in
Okay.
and start them.
Okay. You go in very deep, so you're gonna want a magnetic screwdriver for this. Sick.
So nice.
Super duper nice. Alright, well, we got it finally all assembled here for you guys, and I guess we'll get it all hooked up as well. So, we'll see you until that happens. Alright guys, it's all set up, and I guess let's turn on the computer first off. Turn on this other computer monitor, and let's turn the bad boy on. It's looking pretty sweet. I gotta admit, I love it. It's perfect sizing wise, frame wise. I think it. Oh, here we go. Actually, I think now it's gonna set up for this being the monitor. There it is. I don't know how good that looks on your guys' end of the screen, but it's looking actually very, very nice for mine. Wow. This is awesome. That curved. I'm gonna have to reset it up for how I like my stuff to be, but so far this is a good monitor. I'm loving it. The bezel size, the monitor starts out kind of inside that bezel line area, but I like it. It's very very minuscule on the bezel side of things, and man, this is sick. Curved, no glare whatsoever. This is crazy. I guess I'm gonna have to test out some Csgo. Alright, so we're all loaded up here with Csgo. Let's get into a lobby and actually see and test out how good this refresh rate really is. Haven't ever played Csgo on a 144 Hz or, well, in this case 165 Hz monitor, and my FPS usually is around 150 to 200, so let's hope that this really does make a difference, which it should. Theoretically, from what I've heard, this should make a really big difference, but in just... It feels kind of crispy smooth. Not really noticing anything glitchiness really or distortion. It's feeling very well, just smooth in general, I guess. That was the main thing that I was hearing, was that it would make your gameplay much smoother, and I'm feeling like a much smoother game. This whole thing, the display and everything just feels right. I really don't know the technical terms of like LED and TN panels, but no, yeah, I think this is actually a really good monitor, and yeah, I think if a person was out there and was like, should I get this monitor? I would say, yeah, I'm really glad with the purchase, and I think it's going to be a really good add-on to my setup. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you for more on not only the CSGO side of things, but also review side of things. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, share, like, dislike, do anything that you would want to this video. Thanks, guys. See ya.